Dalmia Bharat Group proudly presents success story of kiln erection at Rajgangapur in Odisha state of India. Kiln with live ring placed in position within 7 months of plant ordering with 3.5 months of manufacturing cycle, which is a world record. Kiln shell was ordered to NS Engineering on the 22nd of October 2018. Adequate support was extended to supplier for getting raw plates from Messrs Jindal. Emphasis given on parallel manufacturing with extra manpower with extended working hours at supplier's shop. With proper monitoring and control, manufacturing cycle for all shells was improved and limited to 3.5 months from the date of ordering. First 2 shells were dispatched on the 29th of January 2019. Within next 2 months, remaining all 6 shells were also dispatched. Dedicated commercial personnel deputed to take care of logistics issue during dispatch and in transit. 2 major railway crossing near Nagpur, Bhandara and Sakoli were to be passed. All statutory permissions were obtained from Railway Board, Nagpur division well in time in a very planned way. Another major obstacle experienced on the way before Nagpur, where there was one under construction overbridge with lesser height. With proper permissions from respective RTOs, road digging was done to pass trailer through, without delays. In addition, in-house developed logistics app helped to monitor the consignment in real time. Overall transit time to cover total distance of approximately 1400 km was improved to 21 to 25 days from 45 days as estimated by transporter. Advanced meticulous planning for trailer movement and unloading of shells carried out at site. Sufficient and qualified welders were engaged to complete the site welding of shells in time. Live rings fixing and alignment with shells completed within 6 days. While we take you through kiln erection visuals, salient features of this kiln are worth to know. This kiln has maximum potential capacity of 9500 TPD for 5 meters diameter kiln. Latest technology JetFlex burner with low primary air requirement and hence low NOx, as compared to DuoFlex burner, is used in this plant. Erection of shells was completed in 6 lifts in 7 months from the date of ordering. This is the first kiln of world to have 4.5% slope with longest dry process 81 meters on 5 meter diameter. Aluminization of kiln and tertiary air duct in external as well as internal surface to reduce the heat losses. Kiln rotational trial was successfully done on the 6th of August 2019 with auxiliary drive. Cold commissioning of kiln was carried out on the 21st of August 2019.
This is a special project in which 2 teams work together to incorporate unique solutions in the project to get the best operating plant in the world. The kiln system has been designed with higher inclination than normal as per the industrial standards for the given conditions. This reduces the operating speed of the kiln. The benefit is lower specific power consumption of the kiln systems. This also reduces the stress level in the mechanical components. This is an excellent example of how a customer requirement can be incorporated in the design of the system and also executed successfully so that the potential benefit of all the new solutions incorporated in the projects can be achieved during the operation. Congratulations to the team.
We have been partners with FLSmith to execute the kiln shell for Dalmia. The things we did differently for achieving the kiln shell in 75 days were having a dedicated team of people to monitor every micro level activity with the dashboard, having 6-hour shifts instead of the regular 8 to improve productivity. And right from the start, we want to achieve a zero defect in welding, which was possible by monitoring every small parameter from the start. We're absolutely delighted to be part of this amazing achievement, and which was inspired by the teams at Dalmia and FLSmith. Thank you.
Project Pride was a prestigious project and done differently with various record-breaking performances. Kiln shell transportation was also a critical path for the timely commissioning of this project. We had a meeting with Messrs FLS and Messrs NS Engineering, the transporter, and after various deliberations we could achieve at a timeline of 45 days against a required target of 30 days. There were 8 kiln shells which were to be transported in 4 convoys on a low bed trailer, and that had to cross 4 states with all hurdles like national highway hoardings, over and under bridges, overhead electrical lines, and 2 railway crossings in Maharashtra, which was a major challenge. Keeping an eye on next 7 days' activities, removing the hurdles in time, and taking prior permissions made it possible for the continuity of the convoys, and thus they could reach in time. This was possible with the high level of coordination between corporate affairs, commercial, and project team. The first convoy reached in 37 days, and next 3 convoys reached in 21 days, and that was the winning streak.